honest now, I'll just wear it. It goes off to the side here.
I'm gonna have wet marks all over my khaki shorts. I'm gonna shit myself.
Shit yourself. Did we just say that shit at the same time? Of course.
Leave that in. Ryan, what's up, buddy?
Yo, what's going on, man?
Good to see you, man.
What do you got there?
I got those 80 tailgate panels I was telling you about.
Shit, okay. All right, you did such a good job on those 100 series one. I guess we'll stick one on here and see what it looks like.
It'd be a perfect fit for your 80, man.
Hell yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. The fist bump was on.
Yeah, that was nice.
Otherwise, I thought it was good.
Isn't it intimidating being on a video?
There is a little bit of that middle ground between trying and not trying.
Yeah. If there wasn't a camera here, what we do would be perfect. The problem is when you know there's a camera, it just doesn't feel natural. Let's do a really cornball one. Oh man, are those the new 80 series panels? Tailgate store? Yeah, okay.
We'll look off at like some cue cards over here.
Yeah, that would be fun.
Oh, I got you, man. What's up?
What's up? Hey! The fucking microphones are gonna hate that.
New 80 series tailgate panel.
Hell yeah, I need some more storage in here.
Perfect fit for your truck.
I don't have enough storage, believe it or not.
No, this will be great.
It's a good space for like jackets and shit because I have so much heavy shit in here that I can't get to my light stuff.
It's 2 doors, so you can actually work on one side of the tailgate while the other side's still just closed.
I haven't seen any other products like that yet. It's always one big aluminum door, and
yeah,
seems like it takes a lot of strength out, but this is going to leave that nice straight piece in the middle. You also provide all the hardware.
Yep, I sure do. There's one done.
That's a lot more room in there than I thought.
There you go. They're going back now.
Yep, I noticed. Yeah, there's the rest of that other blade. Okay, I knocked something off your saw. No more Land Cruiser. It's sold, it's done, it's gone. You knew it was coming. This is still Big City Off-Road. I do have a really exciting new big sort of long-term build project here, and it is nothing off-road related in the like big tire sense off-road. I'll give you one hint. I've got race seats, 2 of them, extra larges, because I am at the very least an extra large man. The car's not here. I've been working on it for months. I don't even know how long I've had the car. 4 months, 5 months, 6 months I've had it. It's been at a secret location that we're gonna go to right now.
Like the photo on Facebook, that is a fake AI photo of me. Tree entities or like space entities?
Oh, come on, Ryan, which door is it in? You're gonna open the other doors? You're gonna tease us like that? It's a Lexus, again. Although to be fair, you've never seen any of my Lexuses. I think this is my 7th one. It's a GS300. I paid $500 for it from Benny. Thanks, Benny. I built a full exhaust system for it. I didn't film any of the goodies I did to this. I didn't film. This is the first time this car's been on camera. I'll take you a bit of a tour. When I bought it, it was 100% stock. But it was running really poorly, and I have now, I'm pretty sure, have fixed that. Timing belt and all the seals and water pump and VVT gear, all factory. The VVT actuator, all that's factory. I deleted the AC completely out of the car. It's got a new alternator, it's got a new belt tensioner, it's got new everything. All the evap shit has been deleted. The stock airbox, I mean, I bought this, you know, $35 piece of shit on Amazon, mostly to take all the, the cracked plastic housings and stuff out of it. But I've been hunting this poor running situation for quite a while, which is why you haven't seen this car yet, because it just didn't run. I guess I should move the camera so you can see what I've done. Okay, when I say race car, what I mean is like, it's not just door panels are gone. The little window's gone. All the window glass is gone. There's nothing in the doors. This is highly unusual amount of room in this back window. There's no carpet, there's no back seats, there's no headliner, there's no trunk trim. The 2 stock seats, and you already saw my race seats at home. The dash has been removed. Everything underneath the dash has been removed. All the AC stuff's gone. All the airbag stuff is gone. Not only the headliner, but the entire sunroof assembly is gone. There will never be a piece of glass up here again. It will remain in automatic for a little while. So this is an eBay catless header setup. I mean, it's as simple as you would imagine it is. I know it's dark under here, you can't see shit, but it's just a 3-into-1, and then 2 out, and then it would, you know, connect to your stock exhaust system. GA cut me this flange, this stainless flange. I built this Y pipe. I got a stock O2. Right now I have all 4 stock O2 sensors in the car. Came around here, went straight back, no resonator. This thing is disgustingly loud. There's a T here that I made out of a 180 bend. I cut it in half and then sliced those in half, and then made a, you know, used a couple of 90s to some 4-inch. Paint's dry. I'm going to throw in some Super Pro SPF 4186K bushings. Super Pro says these don't fit. The internet says they fit. And even though Super Pro made them, I believe the internet. Also, I measured them and they definitely like ought to fit. Oh, look at that. That looks like fitting to me. Definitely have to put them in nice and square, but they definitely fit. Some Insta-Ration grease. Absolutely can confirm these do fit GS300s. Damn, that's, there we go. I was gonna say, I know it's possible. I got as much camber as I can get here. I got camber added by this offsetting the knuckle here. If I need any more camber, and I have upper control arms coming, which will allow me to move the ball joint in and out, but I've got as much out on the bottom as possible, and then I'll have more camber adjustment here by moving this in at the top. These caster arms, I should be able to adjust my caster. IS300 inners, GS outers, swap side to side, new lower ball joints. These arms with the bushings we just installed. I've got new tie rod ends, or new sway bar end links for the sway bar. It's on poly bushings. I also have LS400 brake rotors and calipers for this. That'll come soon. I do this all day at work when I torque stuff. Just mark everything that it's been tightened, just for the sake of knowing that it's tight. I mean, you can see if it ever comes loose, I guess, but you know, don't want shit coming loose. We're adding caster, which I'm gonna go out to 17 inches here. That's getting tough already. Close enough. So that's a reverse thread. So we have pretty much the maximum caster I can adjust to. I have the maximum camber I can adjust here and at the upper control arm. I've never set up a drift car. I've never really drifted, so I don't really know what an alignment's supposed to look like on something like this. Lots of caster, lots of camber in the front, zero toe, and in the rear you want zero camber or sometimes positive camber. I won't go that far. This is still a street car, so I'll maybe go like maybe half a degree to 1 degree of camber in the rear, but we'll get to the rear when we get to the rear. A bit more. It's hard to tell by eyeball. This thing's going on a proper alignment rack for a proper alignment. Make sure the caster is the same side to side. I'll make sure the camber is the same side to side. I'll make sure the toe is at 0 where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna do the entire rear suspension. So I'll probably drop the rear subframe, do all the solid bushings, replace all the arms, weld the diff all at once. I still have to do the exhaust again, and I just have to get the car running properly eventually. It'll be a full-blown drift car before it ever fucking sees a street, which is kind of a shame. Whoa, that really pushed the wheel forward. Holy shit. It doesn't have like an insane amount of camber. I bet that's like 6 degrees or 7 maybe. I mean, the tire fucking sticks way out, but that's the, I hate to say it's the look, but it's kind of the look. Also, I got the exact same wheels, but in silver and 20 by 10s instead of the 20 by 11s. I have stacks and stacks of tires, all takeoffs from work. That's why I went with 20s, because I have unlimited fucking destroy 20s.